In this video, I will show you how you can translate the calls on your Samsung phone in real time on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the phone app, then tap on the three dots over here. Now just go to Settings. Now under the call settings, just tap on Live Translate. Now from here, just make sure you enable the toggle for Live Translate. After that, just scroll down, and in the Me section, just tap on Language and select your language from here. If your preferred language is not available in this list, just scroll down and you will be able to download your preferred language from here. And once your preferred language is downloaded, it will appear in this list. And from here, you will be able to select your language. Now after you do that, then just go back and tap on Voice. And from here, you can select a voice for yourself.
This is what it sounds like when you're translating a call. This is what it sounds like when you're translating a call.
Now you can speed up or slow down the speech rate from here. Now after that, just scroll down and under the other person section, just tap on Language and select the language of the other person. Now similarly, if the language of the other person is not available over here, you can download it from here. Just tap on the download icon and it will download the selected language on your phone. And as you can see, the language will appear over here. Now after you select the language of the other person, then just go back and tap on Voice. And from here you can select a voice for the other person if the option is available. And also you can speed up or slow down the speech rate. Now if you only want to hear the translation of the call and if you want to mute your voice or the voice of the other person, just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, the voice of the other person will be muted and you will only hear the translation of what they are saying. And also you can enable this option for yourself if you want to mute your voice and the other person will only be able to hear the translation of your call. Now if I receive a phone call on my Samsung phone, just like that, now from here just answer the call, then tap on the Galaxy AI icon over here. And from here, you will find the option for Live Translate. Now just tap on it. Now in the other person section, just select the language of the other person. I will select this language. Now in the Me section, just select your own language. Now once the other person starts speaking from the other side, you will see the translation and you will be able to hear the translation too. And this is how you can translate calls in real time on the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.